Abusia Bible say, yen hwehwe nsabeka yemum ni bebie. Fagidie kan tena gidie no madress sa American ni preko. Se na be ya well be Kofi Ampadu humi a. Se na kan na komama medru Kenya ni Dubai no. Aka Kofi Ampadu akoma se me present yi. Na say the New York level nko a waje abom. Ade amame. Mom yenda ye ho wase no ye na do ye wo hoda na so ye fiada. Frank bom. Sa fa ya be acha. That's right. Me the Sandro heme ameti we adwuma nyame Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a.
When you start singing, where do you jail or you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy as queen. And Sunday day na do so dey be a be flow. Ade a chi bi obi aye bibi for toja. Na we dey what can you way? Oh te hey. She go take do you. And then sister Debbie anu make kwa church no was Snapchat no so. Na ahwe de wo ye ne niema nasa na ho fe ne body gesture enwuma edase nyina ahwe se enkratwe ye mane akọ straight to Kwando Beyonce etiane wo so hwe na ka kire me se meboa se nye shade na de beat to a then I don't know that is it. I don't know, just check it out cuz you know I'm in the United States of Kokomlemle right now till the heba yaba ya to asho.
They get now in the boyfriend then get problem. So if you do what they get in boy they get problem. They get now in
okay, you know shade ne dey to man wa madam so ne intentem so because adwuma ne do so be brave da yanim na yentimi enwo so enko. Obe hu se na se wonam street ne so a se na the new force e ba ye na cheda Maxi udru komni ne bi say hwan na se be hu ba ko bi the new falls as in FALSE I was waiting hwan then to our surprise any what's on am come now tell hu billboard say the new falls Ghana we play too much my god but me pese on one ka say nya no studio hakra de bisa ne say swamp okọ contest and I say comedy ni bia because nobody will work out. Tianra, ekobe mu say, Yehuoni a oye behind the new falls. The word falls alone shows they be a comedy and I obey skit. A Ghanaian comedian been a techi. It's with the hebra. We're sending your own veiling. Radio grow it's a bit of America do. Because it's too much, you know what I'm saying? It's with the hebra to see at the end to us why. Mutibe dey adwin dia grow krom ho mum ye bre o ade a chia wose yetime dey adwin no calculate dey say metie e wose me kopa visa na me calculate me ko ho ampadu no obo ma me fill forms dey say we so wa bahada me her Lexi brana be ya no say e bia na e drama bi na mokoye e na Tyson the new force we asemo me sure e be comedy show but why are you because so be billboard ain't easy. Oh, round of applause. Frank Boom Farmer guy. Creativity at its best. Well done. But still na show. Enra, one of the baddest DJs in history of Ghana music. Hardly does he talk on Kasa. Guy no born in your moyeni niema. Sako the official DJ Mensa. Hardly pan so once a guy ne Kasa. Such a gentleman. Then right here, minim di okwo on e pane, minim di okwo share bre bufu. And when some pa bra na hwiegu X ne so honom no ho. Yes starting kind be come ho. Yes starting kind. Or starting free grandpapa so. By kind how I said the truth is we began our music journey long ago and we went international way before many other African countries did. There was a time when our songs and music videos were not only enjoyed by, but also set the standard for others. Ghanaian artists were received in Nigeria with the same warmth that we now show to Nigerian artists here in Ghana. Hip life stars such as TikTok, VIP, and Becca were especially admired in Nigeria. Now, say also Obwa, okay, old Nigerian movies, pan. No more tell you to VIP munyum pan. Old Ogo Koyemo. No more tell you to VIP munyum movies. You say you cry. Let me say, Omunyu Yenyum. What was so? Some of our top artists end up begging, lobbying, sarcastic, to be on international shows just to boost their image back home. Yet they won't extend the same support to Ghanaian promoters who are tirelessly working to keep the Ghanaian music scene thriving. Big respect to all the Ghanaian promoters who use their high-end money, even dipping into their rents and sometimes taking loans to keep the music agenda like, hey, Samum, Kofoje Bosia. Hey, okay. Hey, Nasamum. So now no papa yo Bukasa Kwan so cry so kwaje Bosia kwaye bon hu. E man ni krom for say mo je Bosia music and there, hey. Hey, any mommy am more because it is quite equal to saying, I'm my young the NT no. Master, some cotton patch or master, Ghana musicians, I'm more bonuma. Monk the guitar platforms, so. Moon streaming YouTube, streaming not only any sick and back. More anyway. Remanuma was about no answer when I'm was about say, making so Ghana needs very easy. Oh, in every Chalote festival, Coso. Almost at say, Joadano. Ichema kwesiada na enei nechina die street near ya dia because multimedia for and media partners proudly powered by Joy Entertainment. Ya no share me team no chale wote ho a TM the guys no aka so Adom TV no mama myself ya wa zoye ye be sha street so su and enwum chale wote Arts Festival 2024. Your sister station sing the Bichegu Joy Prime Hits FM, Adom FM, Asempa FM. Yengina ye Bichegu. Ede amamo. Na se na me catch him say guru. Ede. Nko for school free. As o ma say be letter ni ade. Agana for na ye. Se guru na kasa kra be kasa. Adwuma no mo ye ni si ana ye me de because mo ma memre. Me da se bebree. Statement for Maralet. Si guru Dino Maradona and a guy ni din let no. Ti Maralet. Maradona, Guru NKZ and Jeffrey adu ya boy J late. Ya na Badwam also can be. Why? Assembly the why also can be. See me show so who TV so. Can be my why. And one ye and wa bonnet tofa no. Oche mu a onte de ekoso na se. Say school no onto school mo on your residence. The same bebre electoral commission wa ha Guru wa ha assembly the doorso. Intino mon kind de chere se maka che Guru se omo court na omo me hu date na yengina ye ni achi fa camera because men pesa asem na be we say no ka mo frɛ yen a na yengina ye den yakotwa bi. Thank you me twaso ya talk on sukosie o ya ntene nka boye ye be sorry me sa or this storms the to so na okohye mu ana echi oni ji bad be nya banta wo Twitter ne so X no wakohye mu ti akra ne sa na ne gaga ya wo ye nyina ne kokoti ya be nyina sa wanya sa akode wonwom so oh emre bi obekasa Twitter gegege na nkofo sa na ya talk go kasei na sa brantie no jamodi bibi ba wo yiwa wanya obede landlord na nkasa ye nyina ya han dan landlord wantimi akofa no edina ya nwum ti bom my fellow American brother. That's right. Y'all talk and we hope and pray say we say no ebe side we room full vim which them dada to aso akrake to a why so be bonyo monye se mo be support akwale na ho fefe for timi awie school mon support ne ma sika no on fan ye ne ho bibi oh na den kwa na ya mama me kasa kra brace hwa y'all talk nice guy watimi akọ school akanyom ne ho wa wie oso obeto aso obebonyom eti woni sa akode de abai ne sister na ekase mesremo mon support ne mama wate na tie kakra ne ho title ne bibia na akọ stream bi Over.
Send the word, the pain that I'll cause. Slow pace, with the move driving me, I'll walk. Down by your D, they be, I'll talk. It's the fucking landlord and my nigga, y'all talk.
Can't stop. Quiet on me core, I be focusing on winning. Hold up. 2-4 days, shine me more, I'm in feeling. Oh nah. Move like a gangster, I see no evil.
You made dripping my way to America. They all talk so much steezy. I'm pedu afa na ye corner afa. Oh, boom, my sister Sandy, straight up. Wow. My friend who's being a president will be di. Munya president mubedi. Which was the year near so asemaba ye be you president ubedi. Oh. Nti ana omushieshi omo paluta share omo guy you leave the boy kwesi omo ya munya abache na wo kwa onya obedi. Shata me hu so onya obedi na wodi a enka onde de obeye ni 8 year eni. Wo chemu a se otimi be ye president a ko be si prisons a prison ye be kan put talk as say prisons obesi bi for short term obi be say na die ntina wale e kasa 8 year so na medical no ni afa mani suwe me fama brabon to chacha biem o ohini yesuwe wonche yo o so mokode mu kakra bi no utimi so ko na state na nye o so ko rem na ho na nye to no ehu se da bi e bi ase me ko biem a ma me si short ni bi na ya akodem enti no na ni so ade hu no enie but also will stand the president and ka obenya o because some fans bebrebe timi den kra na asomode a color party koso ebeba so 28th of September e wo Legon Botanical Gardens hon say last time ye no ogade ye ne family a no family ba na de be share o favorite Asempa FM presenters o favorite Adom TV Adom FM presenters Adom TV be share ye nyina e wo color party ase 28th of September 2024 e wo Legon Botanical Gardens na maka se oni a wo cheche color afi no e be Charles na pe wadaroma mame orange o mame orange na no me bread pants na minya color orange no ti mesho Mr. na famisha black my favorite color no wadaroma color party ola ba wo ola ti abusia me ba ya me pon na me ni ampedu akodi visa no ho nkomo wo mpa ya akai me wati wo mpa ya akai me wo be kofi ampedu ya me director Santi Achima gogode hye wono so teacher wo direct my style be Frank ewa ha squading na Adom Jonas madam ngina CPR I'm the guyest queen nyame Adom adwada ya the chale water festival no the course ngina eba som wo hia me okroma fabom tiem guys boza video of the day me dijao
put the way they are because as me now as me am now and me as me I am that I am now. This life don't see people the way they are because as me now as me am now and me as me I am that I am now.